Today we'll talk about how can you use tables on your periodic table app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all type of tables here. So reachability hero tip, you will find it in this list. Can you use it? So then here another chip. You will click on it here. You will find it in this. In this design, like you say. So then here uh, uh, can you open this chip here over, like you say. So that's all you have to do to find these tables here in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,